Okay, and the Kylie Jenner Cosmetics, the success story of the Kylie brand. First of all, like this video, comment this video, subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon, and share it with your friends. Well, so let's start. Kylie Jenner is an American media corrector, socialite, and entrepreneur. Her success story is about utilizing your connections and stepping up. She is a part of Kardashian-Jenner clan, famous of the reality TV show Keeping Up with that Kardashian. The viewers and the internet have been critical of her life choices. Leaving all this behind, Kylie shot her shot by launching her own beauty company, Kylie Cosmetics. Early life. On 10 August 1997, Kylie Kristen Jenner was born in Los Angeles, California, the United States. Her father, Bruce Jenner, was once known as an Olympic decathlon medalist. She went to Celia Canyon School, where she was additionally and individually from the cheerleading crew. Jenner acted in plays while going to class alongside local area plays. In 2012, she got homeschooled for a few years, and later she graduated high school in July 2015 from Laurel Springs School in Ojai, California. Kylie Jenner was exceptionally devoted and diligently individual, and she generally worked effectively towards every task at hand. In 2007, Jenner, alongside her folks Kendall, Courtney, Kim, Chloe, and Rob, started showing up in the unscripted TV series Keeping Up with the Kardashian, with all scandals and controversy revolving around the family. Kylie has been in the limelight since childhood. She had to face a lot of cyberbullying and backlash for her life choices. However, she decided to pursue her fantasies continuously. Career. Kylie and her sister Kendall collaborated with Forever 21 and had their line Kylie plus Kendall. She showed up as a model for a couple of fashion shows but didn't act it as a model. Therefore, Kylie had experienced a 10 at an extremely youthful age. She was never reluctant to face challenges throughout everyday life. She trusts herself and had never been doubtful of her own decisions. Kylie is the originator and proprietor of the brand Kylie Cosmetics. She even launched Kylie Skincare and Kylie Beauty. Her after her these achievements didn't occur all of a sudden. She felt this necessity to lose her skin and get plastic surgery at a very young age. In an interview, she said, I was 15 and I was insecure about my lips. I have really small lips, and it was like one of my first kisses. And the guy was like, I didn't think you would be a good kisser because you have such small lips. I took that really hard when a guy you like says that. I don't know, it just really affected me. I just didn't feel the separate or party. She also mentioned that I would overline my lips with lip liner to create the illusion of bigger lips, and then finally I was like, this lip liner isn't doing it, and ended up getting my lips done. She was insecure, and all of this wasn't seen on the screen, but it was there all the time in her bed. So much for today. We will meet in next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share with it your friends.